Hey everyone, welcome back to compilersutra. Today we are learning how to find your machine name and IP address on Linux, the first step before connecting to another computer using SSH or SCP. Let's jump in. Your machine name helps identify your computer on the network, and your IP address is like your computer address. You will need these before connecting to other computers. Watch the previous video, link in the description, and visit compilersutra.com. For people who are watching this video first time, we will use hostname as a command of the Linux to get the username. Basically, hostname will print your computer name on the network. If you want a deeper guide on machine names, check out my previous video. To find your IP address, run ifconfig. If not found, install package nettools. Using command sudo apt-get install nettools. ifconfig will print all network interface. Ignore allo0. That's your loopback. Ignore VPN or inactive interface. Look for the interface that is active, usually EN0 for Wi-Fi or Ethernet. EN0 inet, this 192.168.0.110 is the actual IP you can use to connect with your network. To quickly get only usable IP, we can use the grep in Linux. So ifconfig, grep inet and grep 192. To quickly get only your usable IP, use grep like this. ifconfig lists all the interface. Grep shows only IPv4 address. Grep 192 filter only typical local LAN IPN, and there it is your actual IP address. Remember, your IP address only works for the computer on the same network unless you have a public IP. You can check connectivity using ping. Ping the IP address you want to connect with. If you get a response, the other machine is reachable. If not, is not reachable. SSH and SCP will be explained in the next video using this IP. That's it. Now you can know how to find your machine name and IP address on Linux. In the next video, we will use this IP to connect using SSH and transfer files with SCP.